Okay, so I'm going to be doing this horizontal. So if you're seeing this video on TikTok or Lemonade, then just please ignore that I'm going to have to turn it in the other way so that you can be able to see this. But I'm making this primarily for my YouTube channel. So anyway, this is the office that I already gave you a tour the other day. I want to show you the progress. All the lights came down again after I put them all up because my son Caleb did not like the initial job that I had somebody come in and do. One of our workers for my remodeling company came in to do the ceiling, and Caleb's quite a perfectionist, so he wanted to redo some spots, and then he kept going over and over. It was put on too thick, so he wanted to redo my ceiling. Anyway, so he's gonna put on the cabinet doors. Here's the laundry room part. I have a sink, which I love because that's gonna be part of my craft room, my office. So my office and my craft room are in here. It's a huge room. I have to get the measurements for you. I can't remember how big this room is, but it is huge. It was a family room at one point. My master bedroom is out into that where you see the light over there. And then this is the laundry room, which I'll take a step back, which is connected to the office, which I love because I do a lot of sewing and crafting, and I have a sink right here, so I don't have to go to the kitchen or to a bathroom to use a sink for cleaning brushes and things like that. So this is just temporary, this piece of wood on here, because I'm putting my paint up here, when I'm doing my different things for to do the remodeling. I want it to just have a temporary counter up there. I'm going to be putting tile up here and tile over here on this backsplash. And then if we turn around here, I have my stackable LG laundry center here. Right here goes a tray, a pull-out tray. And up here, I'm going to be putting the Dollar Tree hooks for my broom and dustpan. And then over here on the top there will be more cabinets, and there'll be cabinets over here. I'm gonna make a cute little bulletin board type of cover for this panel. I have like 4 panels in my house. Don't ask me why they did that. And then, so this will be a nice area as well. So I can have some overflow of some crafting things in these cabinets here as well. So I'm thinking of things up here in storage that I don't use all the time. Then I have this nice, beautiful sliders that go out to the deck. And there's my stand-up desk, which I face that way. I showed you that in the last video. Right now where I'm at is you can see, I am painting my ceiling with ceiling paint, white ceiling paint. That's why you see it's an off color, but it will dry totally white. This wall here is all prepped, ready for the cabinets. The walls here, I have to do one more coat on most of these walls, except for this one here. This is the rolling cart for next to the washer and dryer. This wall here is all ready to put up my Calyx shelves, which are gonna go up at the top, and then my Alex drawers, but I'm using the Michaels ones right now for this side here. And then there's gonna be a space to hang my ribbon storage, my paint storage, and different things like that, which I'll show you as we go and get that done. This is an island cart that I bought for 10 bucks on Facebook Marketplace. It was filthy. I cleaned it up, but it does need to be refinished. I'm gonna paint it white, sand it down and paint it white. This is gonna become my ironing station. I love this because it has this thing here. So I'm going to create I'm going to make my own ironing pad to put on top of this because I do a lot of sewing. And I also like to do a lot of junk journaling where I do use an iron a lot for that, to do creases on fabric covers and things like that. So that is going to be that. I used this for a long time for our counter when we didn't have a food counter, when the kitchen was totally torn apart for over 2 years or 3 years now, I guess. This area over here, I'm gonna have a TV up there. So I have these plugs up here, which I'm gonna keep. They had sconces there. That was in my last video. And I'm gonna use those for electrical outlets. I'm gonna have a TV up there. This is gonna be my computer station, my business area as well. Sewing area is going there. Scrapbooking, jewelry is over on that side. I'm gonna have a project table right here in the middle, right underneath that, where I'm gonna make an electrical outlet there for my camera for filming. We will have 56 by 56 by 56 project table there. I'm gonna have another project table over here for my junk journaling. Over here, oops, over here, I forgot, next to my business station will be my business planning and personal planning. In my bedroom, I'm gonna have my Bible journaling. And then I will have my card station around here, and I'll have some rolling carts for projects. So it's coming along. I can't wait to get the floor down, because then I can finally build all this furniture that I've been buying from IKEA. You can see all of the things that I've been buying. So right now I'm gonna finish the ceiling, get these lights put back up, and then I'll go and paint the walls, and we'll get to that point and I'll let you see. But watch my other video. The other video is a vertical video, so I will still be posting it on here on YouTube as well as on TikTok and Lemonade. So I will see you on the next time with the next update.